Hello everyone, this is Fawaz from Australia Unwrapped.com. In this video, we are going to talk about Australia's foreign investment regulatory framework. As housing pricing in the world market plummeted, especially in the United States and in Europe, smart investors started looking for alternative markets for investment in real estate. For investors, it is important to have an idea of the laws presently in place. They will help ensure that they make decisions that are legally correct for all times. Property in Australia can be held under two types of titles: freehold and crown leasehold titles. A freehold title confers the ownership of the land to the buyer of property for an indefinite period of time. A crown leasehold title, on the other hand, may award ownership of the land based on specific conditions. As long as foreign investment promote national interest, the Australian government will be happy to endorse it. The main criteria for approval of foreign investment is that it must be one way or the other promote Australia's national interest. Under FATA, the Federal Treasurer has a lot of power when it comes to make approvals. For further details, click the link below and comment, and make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. See you down there.